Ketogenic Accelerator Review. Helps you to lose fat with no exercise. Currently, the keto diet has been making headlines for a few months, and it has been effective to help people who want to lose weight. As much as it is effective, sometimes you think that it will cost you much. That's why you can check the best Ketogenic Accelerator review as your preference. So, what is Ketogenic Accelerator? This product is a fat buster supplement to improve the natural fat burning system in your body, and it will make the process easier to induce ketosis. It comes in the form of pills made from natural ingredients that can change the way your body burns carbohydrates, and inspires your body to burn more calories than usual. It is best used with a ketosis diet since it contains natural ingredients that give you some natural ketogenic effects. This supplement can be used to induce the same beneficial effects of the diet without you needing to remove the carbohydrates entirely. This product helps you to lower your hunger, making it a good supplement for those who have trouble holding their appetites. So, how does Ketogenic Accelerator work? You should know that this product will work closely with your body to burn fat into energy. In another word, it will promote ketosis. Without the right diet and supplement, maintaining ketosis can be so hard. However, if you use Ketogenic Accelerator, then you can achieve results quickly. It will improve your cognitive functions, means that your body becomes conditioned to absorb ketones inside your body rapidly. These molecules are the best fuel for your heart, and it can protect you from any oxidative damage and improve your bloodstream as well. It will accelerate your workout performance. It helps to keep your insulin and glucose levels stay in a normal range, and reduce your insulin sensitivity. Who can use this product? Anyone who has weight issues can use this product since it does not have side effects. You should not have a specific level of fitness to get the benefits. Although taking a supplement, you should not limit yourself from carbs or anything else that you love. Understanding the safety and side effects. This Ketogenic Accelerator does not normally cause negative side effects, but taking too much can leave your body in the unhealthy ketosis condition. This thing can cause your upset stomach, nausea, a loss of energy, dizziness, or loss of sexual drive as well. You should know that burning too much fat in a short time can bring you in those conditions. Keep in mind that taking too many carbohydrates while using this supplement can cause your body to become sick and confused as well. Your body is naturally expected to burn carbohydrates, and it will get back the energy source after feeding on fat for a while. Using this supplement too often can lead your body to get sick. This product also comes with a bonus and contains all information about the keto diet, foods that you can eat, portions, and so on. You can read the Ketogenic Accelerator review first. Click the link below in the description to learn more and get the Ketogenic Accelerator program.